Hello, you're welcome. In this video, I want to show you how you can customize your error checking options, as well as how to perform simple background error checks in Excel. So for us to be able to customize our error checking options, we are going to be moving straight to our File tab. You click on this File tab, then you come down to More and select Options. Then from these options, you select Formulas. Then you scroll down. So you can see here I have error checking. So I can either turn this on or off, depending on whether I want error checks in my background. Then I also have option to change the error color. So this is the indicator of the error. So I can change this color. Then for this error checking rules, I can decide on which I want to check and the one that I can just leave. So it may be that you don't consider certain things errors for the specific analysis that you're performing. You may uncheck such options here. So in my case, I have all these checked, like unlocked cell containing formulas and so many others. I have them all checked. So you can either check on uncheck depending on your analysis. So after you've done that, you just click on your OK. So now you can see the green indicator just as I had already checked in my option. So this shows me that there is an error here. So for me to be able to trace this error and perform background error checks here, I'll be using this warning symbol which appears from this very arrow. So what I will do is just click on this and you see different options that I have here. So it tells me that there is error in value. Now, for someone that is already so conversant with Excel, the person may know how to fix this instantly. But someone that does not really know how to do this, there are other options that will help you navigate this, like this help on this arrow. You can click on it and you find more information. So I will click on this and it will use our internet connection to be able to provide us more information. So you can see it tells you how to correct this value error. So it tells you what the value error is all about and gives you more information about it, as well as other solutions that you can try in case the first set of solutions it gave you didn't work out for you. So there are other options we can also check. For example, we've already used this help on this error. You can check your calculation step using the evaluate option. So if you click on this, it's going to show you how this evaluated. Okay, so you will now see that it's not even really showing us anything in this box. So we have to go back and know how to fix this from the scratch. Now there are other errors apart from this value error that occur also in Excel. So I will just look for any other one and we see how we can also check for it. So here, okay, this is also value error. And this financial data, okay, I have this divide by zero error. So here, I will just click on this warning symbol. And you can see it tells me that the error is divide by zero error. So if I do not really know what this is about, I can click on this help on this error. And it will also give me more information as well as how to resolve it. So if I click on this, it shows me more information on what the divide by zero error is about. It also tells me how to correct this and so on. So I can just read through and then use this to solve the issue. I can also trace the error using the evaluate. So if I click on this, it gives me this evaluation box, and from here I can evaluate and see where the error came from. Another option that I have here is to ignore the error. So if this is not really an error, I can just click on this ignore error. I can also edit what caused this error from my formula bar. So if I click on this, you can see it shows me option to edit from my formula bar. And I have the error checking options as well, where I'm now moved to the error checking options, and I can select what I want and what I do not want here, just as we saw in the beginning of the video. And that's just it about how you can use these error options in your background to check for error, as well as try to resolve various errors while performing your analysis in Excel. I hope you've been able to find this video helpful. Please, if you have, kindly like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you, and I'll see you in the next one.